Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, June 1st. I know it's crazy. We're already to June, which means we're almost done with this wacky and wild school year. Today is Say Something Nice Day. And you look, there's a lot of ways you can say something nice to a lot of different people. Part of that comes into compassion. Our new Counselors Connect series is out, and compassion talks about feeling for somebody somewhat like empathy when something else is going on in their life, and we all have things going on. We saw over this weekend that the compassion is there, but sometimes it gets diluted by people that don't have compassion. And I think compassion is a really important thing. An email was sent out by Martina over the weekend that you can pick up your belongings from school, and you can do so by the end of next week. There's a digital sign up. He sent that sheet out. Please look through your emails, see where Martina sent that out, along with episode 10 of Stories to Fall Asleep To. He dropped it this weekend, The Lady or the Tiger by Frank R. Stockton. And lastly, no birthdays at Rax that I am aware of. So Morgan Freeman, I can't get his voice. His voice is unbelievable. I think he's 82 today. I think that was the number for Morgan Freeman. There were a couple other birthdays too, like Marilyn Monroe. A lot of old distinguished birthdays here on June 1st. That's a good idea that it might be made up. Hey, we got a beautiful day and a beautiful week ahead of us. Get going on the work. I know a lot of you are starting to feel the crunch of it. Mondays are always a good way to get ahead of things. Go ahead and do that and have a great day, Rax.